one tool that I discovered that lets you apply to thousands of jobs with the click of just one button. I found a job in Germany only 2 months after being laid off from my job in the US. The exact same role in the exact same field. And I am a biotechnologist with experience in bioprocessing in the cultivated meat industry. That's like the niche of a niche of a niche. इस economy में इतना niche job ढूंढना वो भी इतने कम time में does sound like a miracle. So my DMs have been flooding because लोगों को लग रहा है मेरे पास ना कोई special ninja technique है job ढूंढने की. Like dumb luck or destiny, but my approach that got me this job is super inefficient. तो उसकी तो मैं बात भी नहीं करना चाहती. But I do have a ninja technique that can help you. Honestly, आज के ज़माने में quantity matters more than quality, which is kind of sad. But तुम जितने तीर छोड़ोगे उतना निशाने पे लगने का चांस है. And honestly, doing 1000 applications a month is now the new bare minimum. And दूसरी दिक्कत ये है साला कि AI ने सबकी jobs ले रखी है, including recruiters की job, जिसके वजह से जो jobs AI ने नहीं भी ले रखी वो भी jobs तुमको AI के वजह से नहीं मिल रही. Jobs मिलना तो दूर की बात, तुम्हारा resume तो actual human recruiters तक पहुंच भी नहीं रहा है because of AI. I mean, AI can do a lot of things, but it still cannot understand for some reason that एक work experience को लिखने के 100 तरीके हो सकते हैं. Because if the keywords in your resume don't match the keywords in the job description one to one, then देखो भलाई का जमाना जा चुका है, इंसानियत बिल्कुल भी नहीं बची है, क्वाइट लिटरली. तो कहते हैं ना कि ईट का जवाब ईट से देना है, वैसे एआई का भी पोपट काटना है एआई से. Let me be real with you, the world has never been fair. Even the job hunting playground is rigged. So at this point in time, if you're not using AI to do job hunting, you're already falling behind in the race. Which is why I'm not going to waste a single more second gatekeeping this one tool that I discovered that lets you apply to thousands of jobs with the click of just one button. So for real, Senta is the coolest shit I've ever seen because not only does it find and filter jobs for you based on your preferences, background or education, it also generates a unique resume for each of the jobs based on the job descriptions and also cover letters. And then boom भाई ऐसे 1 मिनट में 100, 500, 1000 कितने भी jobs हो भाई वो 1 मिनट में ऐसे एक बारी में अप्लाई कर देता है. And for those of you जिनसे अपने ex को text करने की urge control नहीं होती, how about every time you feel like texting your ex, you text Senta instead and do something more productive like looking for jobs. I mean with this iMessage feature you can. भाई तुम्हें बस एक thumbs up भेजना है और ये सारी jobs तुम्हारे लिए ऐसे ही अप्लाई कर देगा. So it is clocking to you, right? कि with this feature you can basically apply to jobs from anywhere. Gym, kitchen, doom scrolling, bathroom, shower, literally anywhere. And would you believe me if I told you that this entire platform has been created by two students? Two students who experienced this pain themselves and also saw this pain everywhere around them. So they just created a solution. And because they genuinely empathize with the pain of other students, they've kept the pricing quite affordable. And on top of that, they've given me an additional discount to give to you guys so you can get a 50% discount. Comment AI down below and I will send you the link.